Yeah, hi guys. In this video we will do two things. First we will dockerize our node app, and then we will publish our node app in DockerHub registry so that other people like your friends or other people in your company can use it. So let's quickly do the first step. First we will dockerize our node app. Okay. So this is the basic Node.js application Node.js server that I have created. We have two routes here. So let's first see a demo. So let's quickly go to the port number 3000. So as you can see, we have our server up and running. So let's quickly go and dockerize this node app. Okay, so we will stop the server first and also delete this node module. Okay, so the first step to dockerize any application is to create a Docker file, and then in this Docker file we give base image. The base image is basically an Ubuntu, or you can say any other image, any other operating system, and on top of it we add our code base and instructions. So in this case I will be using Node.js base image. The reason I am using Node.js image is because I will get Node.js, npm, all those things installed. So the way you can search for it is you can just go to the Google and search for your tech and Docker, like Node with Docker, all those things. You are with Python or Django, then you can search for Python Docker. So in my case I will be searching Node Docker. So as you can see, they have multiple versions. All these versions, specific versions you can use. Okay, and yeah, so in my case I will not use any specific version. I will just do Node, and yeah, and the next step is to copy our code base. So these are the three important files that we will need. So we will actually copy the whole project file inside our image. Code dot means code the current directory inside the image, and the next step will be to install our packages like dependencies inside the image. So that we can do with Docker provides us with run command, run, and then all the executables here. So npm install. So what it will do, it will read the package.json file and install the express.js inside the image. And the next step is to give a command that the Docker will use while starting the container from the image, and that we can do with cmd and the list of executables. So the first one will be node, and then our index.js file. Okay, that's it. So we can add some more instructions like work directory and also some docker ignore file to enhance our security, but we are not going to do this, to keep it simple. So and let's quickly go and build the image. Docker build dot, this instructs Docker that to go to the current directory, search for the Docker file, and whatever instruction is written in there, create an image based on it. Okay, so as you can see, it is running, and we have 4 steps here. So step 1, step 2, and it will run all the steps and give us a image ID. As you can see, Docker successfully built this image and give us one ID. So we can quickly go and start a container based on this image, and that we can do with Docker run and the image ID. And also we need to expose 3000 port, and we can do with 3000 from in our host machine, and 3000 inside the container, because inside the container our node server is running at 3000 port. So that's it. This is all you need to start a container from the image. As you can see, server started on port 3000 inside the container. Let's quickly verify it on our server, on our machine. Yeah, it's running. Okay, so we have successfully added node inside the Docker. Okay, so the next step is to publishing our image, Docker image, to the Docker registry. As you can see, we need to follow 3 steps: create a free account there, create a repository, and push our Docker image to the registry. That's it, right? So the first step will be go to the DockerHub, hub.docker.com, sign up for a free account, and log in to your account. So I already have my account, so I will quickly go and sign in with it. And the next step is to create a repository here. So I will create maybe simple node high. Okay, and yep, that's it. Let's create the Docker repository. And yeah, you can read all those things if you want, but I will quickly go and grab this name. And the next step is to log in from your terminal so that you can push your image to the DockerHub. And the command for doing it is docker login. So you can just log in with it. And after that, you need to tag your image, or you can create one, or you can create a new image with the same name with your repository. So I will do that first. Docker build dot, and I will add tag here. Okay, so that it will be tagging in Docker means naming it. Okay, so you can see successfully tagged. Like if I will do Docker images, then I should see this one. I should see simple UI here. I already have this repository in my local, so let's quickly go and grab the full command from here and just do it. Docker push. That's it. It will take a couple of seconds depending upon your bandwidth, and it will push your local image in the DockerHub registry. Let's wait. Yeah, I think it is complete now. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, a few seconds ago, the image was updated with latest tag. So yeah, that's it. So I think from now onwards, anyone with this ID can pull your image and use it. Yeah, that's it. So you can see your image name here, and the next let's try it out, like running this image. So for that we will be using Play with Docker. So Play with Docker is an open source platform that will give you like a playground for Docker that we will be using. So let's start a new instance, and let's grab this name here, and we will do Docker run by exposing the port. In this case we will expose it to 80 maybe, and 3000 from inside the container, and our image name. And it will take couple of seconds, and it will start our server, like it will start the node server inside the container, and expose it to port 80 on our machine. As you can see, the server is already started, so let's open it now. Yeah, congratulations, it is up and running now. Yeah guys, that's it. We have successfully created Node.js container and then publish it to DockerHub image. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you think I missed something, then please mention it in the comment. Yeah, thank you.